my gosh. Have y'all watched All American? Y'all need to watch this show. And it's got black people.
If it feels right, promise I don't mind.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Christina, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I did this crisscross applesauce looking bun. Okay, thanks. So yeah, this is what it looks like washed and blow dried. It looks good. It was being nice to me today, so that's good. I didn't have to, get some scissors out. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, and my hair is type 4 hair. I don't really know the in-depth part, but yeah, A, B, C, D, I don't really know. But anyways, this is what I use. Some of this stuff is already in my hair, but this is some of the stuff you might use. You don't have to use exactly what I use, but yeah. So first we're gonna start off with parting my hair, and let me tell you, I cannot part my hair if my life depended on it. I'm not very good at doing my hair at all. Like, y'all should see how I come to school. Yeah, I actually don't, but sometimes I just be like, whatever, and I just walk out the door like I don't care. And I have to put my glasses on because I'm like actually blind. And I did all this looking in my phone camera, so it came out good, but I don't think it would come out this good every time. And so this is me attempting to part my hair down the middle, and this is actually really difficult. I don't know why. It's like I can never get it straight all the way, but we tried, okay? And then here is when I start to put in the little rubber bands. You do 2 on top and 2 on the bottom. And you do the same thing on the other side. And then now that I'm done with this side, I'm going to go on to the next side. But I'm going to skip all that so you guys aren't just like watching me do the same thing. So now that I'm done with that, I just twist them up and I crisscross it on to the back. You really could leave it like this. Like, maybe if my hair was straight, like all the way straight, I would have left it like that, but that's not what I did. We gonna turn this into a bun. So yeah, but it don't look that bad. So how long am I gonna be doing this? Okay, so then I just grab my denim brush and we just gonna brush it all up. But I'm not finished yet, sis. I still gotta lay these baby hairs down. And I know I don't have that much. Don't come for me. I know. Okay, thanks. But you still gotta lay down, what you got. voila, I'm done. Okay. But yeah, if you have those little bead thingies, you can put those up in your hair too. But I broke and lost all of mine, so I don't have any. But yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure to turn on my notifications to be notified every single time I post, because you know we kind of on a roll here. Okay, I am finally. See how long it lasts. But yeah, thank you so much for watching.